Good morning.
Kayaking?
Yes. Is there a kayak launch in here?
There is.
Okay,
yeah.
perfect.
It's $5 come in.
Okay.
Just two of you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'll point you in the right direction.
Okay, appreciate that.
Hi all, welcome back to the channel and our kayaking adventures. Today we visit John D. MacArthur Beach State Park in Palm Beach County, Florida. We plan to kayak to and explore Moonian Island and Little Moonian Island. We also plan to do a little bit of snorkeling at the beach, so join us on our latest adventure. John D. MacArthur Beach State Park is named for John D. MacArthur, whose foundation donated a portion of the land for its construction in the 1970s, and it is located in North Palm Beach, Florida. We arrived at the kayak launch area about 9 a.m. We unloaded our kayaks and set out on our adventure. We plan to visit both Moonian Island and Little Moonian Island and explore the surrounding areas. Entrance to the park is $5 per vehicle. The park is open 365 days a year from 8 a.m. until sundown. John D. MacArthur Beach State Park, the only state park in Palm Beach County, is an island in time, preserving the lush and diverse subtropical coastal habitats that once covered southeast Florida.
All right, we launched from John D. MacArthur State Park. Temperature's 84 degrees. We're paddling south to Moonian Island. Going to explore it for a little bit, then head a little bit further south to Little Moonian Island. Don't know what's in store for us. Water clarity is fairly decent. A light teak color, I guess you could say. You can see the bottom. It is currently about 3 foot deep. And let's get to paddling. As you can see, you're kind of secluded in the state park with vegetation all around you, but you do have West Palm Beach ahead of us and all its big buildings, and you can hear some traffic noise from motorcycles and such, since the state park is right off the road. John D. MacArthur State Park is just north of Peanut Island. However, we've been to Peanut Island twice already, and though it is a great spot to hang out, we thought we wanted to take you somewhere different. I hope you all enjoy while we explore. All right, well, apparently the map, it kind of looks further than it actually is, but just as we went under the bridge, turned the corner, we believe this is Moonian Island, and out in the distance, still not too far away, should be Little Moonian Island. Both of them are fairly close to paddle to, so if you're looking for a short trip to go explore an island, this might be the place for you. But so far the water's nice, it's just hot. So let's paddle on further.
It's so kind of easy to paddle.
Easy to paddle.
Easy paddle.
After arriving at Little Moonian Island, we thought we'd explore and see if we couldn't find any unique shells that may have washed up.
Big fish or just small fish?
Just small fish.
Yeah, I remember limestone floor out a lot. Isn't that bad?
No, not bad.
On a weekday.
There's some chairs set up, presumably to catch the sunrise as it rises up. You can get the city in the foreground. I guess it would be a pretty interesting sight, but you certainly would have to wake up very early for it.
Once we struck out on our seashell hunt, we then decided to paddle toward Moonian Island. Little Moonian Island was certainly a nice spot to relax, and on a weekday, there wasn't that much activity. I'm not sure how that changes on the weekend though.
Now when we looked on Google Maps of Big Moonian Island, they had a boat dock, which we can definitely see in front of us. Not sure what kind of amenities are on this island, if any. All right, so this boat ramp is not conducive to kayaking. There's tie downs for regular boats. I guess you could climb up onto the dock yourself, but if you beach, there's not a gate to get up on the boat ramp. So you have to climb through the little fencing. Miss Kayak 7 Seas will show you how it's done. And that's how you get through if you're on a kayak, since there is no gate. All right, so there's a little walking path. There's a pavilion over here if you want to eat. Picnic pavilion area. And let's check out more of this path. Alright, so we can't go any further here. So we'll have to walk back. So we're back to the beginning again. Since we couldn't go that way, we'll go this way. So this way is definitely a little overgrown. It ends right here. I'm guessing, yeah, there's a little worn path to the beach. We're going to go back. All right, take our special gate. It is 11:30. Yeah, shallow grass beds. Area closed to combustible engine operation. So this is better for paddlecraft or a small electric trolling motor. I guess we can explore it a little bit further. It's going to be hot. Nice little paddle trail. So we probably want to stick to the open water. Whoa! As absolutely gorgeous as it is back there, there is no wind, there is no airflow, and it's just too hot to keep going. So I believe I'm going to turn this thing around. Let me go just a little bit further though, I'm curious. What is this up ahead? Are these some mangrove tunnels? Or is this a place to turn around? I reckon it's a place to turn around.
Dead end?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you see the kind of the other way you can go?
Yeah. But there's just no airflow in here. It's just too hot.
should at least try.
Okay, we'll at least try. We are going to try, but you're going to have to like, share, and subscribe this video. There's a little bit of a wind, a little bit of air. Well, shall we head back, go to the beach? All right. We could probably get lost in these things if we kept paddling around, but I need to go to the beach and cool off, maybe do some snorkeling. Someone's broken the line. Alright, we're done with the kayak portion of the trip. Now we're going to go check out the beach and see if we can get some snorkeling done. So, hope you're still with us. Let's see what's up ahead. The gift shop, kayak rentals, the restrooms, and the beach, and the nature walk. That's John D. MacArthur.
Oh, you should. Yeah.
That's who the park's named after. So you may remember this bridge when we kayaked underneath it. And here is the beach. There's a sailboat out there too.
Where's the... Oh, those dark places?
Maybe. Yeah, let's walk out there and see what it looks like. Ow, sand is hot. There's some limestone rock underneath my feet, and we're hoping maybe we'll see some fish. Although we'll probably just see rock. Only one way to find out.
Thank you for watching our video as we explored John D. MacArthur State Park, Little Mooney Island, and Mooney Island. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, click on that like button. If you're new to this channel, maybe even subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification button so you know when our next video is uploaded. Until the next time, hope to see you out on the water someday.